Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to add products to Shopify from CJ Dropshipping. Let's dive right in. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on the Apps option located on the right and search for CJ Dropshipping. Once you find it, click the Install button to install the app and follow the prompts to connect it to your Shopify store. After the connection process is complete, browse through the products that you want to add to Shopify. Hover your cursor over the product and click on the list icon that appears. In the next window, provide details like product type, vendor, and tags. You can also set variant pricing. Once you've entered all the details, click the List It Now button. Now the product will be added to your Shopify store. To check this, go to Shopify and click on the Products option. There, you'll see your newly added product. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.